In the world of luxury automobiles, heritage and innovation rarely meet in perfect harmony. Yet UK-based Halcyon has achieved just that with its groundbreaking transformation of the iconic Rolls-Royce Corniche. Originally a grand land yacht of the 1970s, the Corniche is now being reborn as a fully electric convertible, one that combines timeless design with cutting-edge technology. This extraordinary project redefined what it means to own a classic while bringing it into the modern age with elegance and power. Halcyon's approach is as meticulous as it is bold. Each car begins its new life with over 2,000 hours of restoration, stripped down to bare metal before being rebuilt to the highest standard. Only 60 of these remastered Corniches will ever be produced, making exclusivity a key part of their allure. Every example is built entirely to order, allowing buyers to shape the specification according to their personal taste. From retaining the car's authentic lines to adding contemporary touches like new alloy wheels, chrome bumpers, or redesigned headlights, the customization possibilities are virtually endless. Inside, the Corniche has been completely reimagined with a focus on natural materials and bespoke detailing. Halcyon's philosophy is one of pure personalization, offering layouts as traditional or radical as the buyer desires. One early customer even opted for a two-seat configuration, replacing the rear seats with a sculpted cabin that oozes individuality. There are whispers of partnerships for custom luxury luggage, including Louis Vuitton sets designed specifically for this car. It's clear that Halcyon is creating more than vehicles. They're crafting rolling pieces of art. The car known as Highland Heather serves as a showcase of Halcyon's capabilities. Inspired by Scotland's moorlands, it wears a purple moorland exterior finish paired with a striking white and purple leather interior. Every surface is hand-stitched and adorned with fine wood and metal accents, blending traditional craftsmanship with a modern palette. It's a visual feast that celebrates heritage while embracing contemporary taste. But the real marvel lies beneath the classic bodywork. Gone is the original 6.75-liter V8, replaced with a fully electric powertrain developed in partnership with eVice Technologies. In its most powerful specification, the system delivers a staggering 500 horsepower, more than double the output of the original Corniche. Buyers can choose between two battery packs, offering ranges of 250 or 300 miles. Even more impressive is the 800-volt electrical system, which supports ultra-fast charging at up to 230 kilowatts. Remarkably, Halcyon claims this electric conversion adds no extra weight compared to the original V8-powered model. To complement the powertrain, the chassis has been modernized with semi-active suspension and upgraded brakes. 3 selectable drive modes, Drive, Spirited, and Touring, allow owners to tailor the driving experience from relaxed cruising to spirited performance. It's a blend of old-world charm and futuristic dynamics, offering the best of both eras. Of course, exclusivity comes at a price. Each remastered Corniche starts at £400,000, not including the donor vehicle itself, which could cost anywhere between $40,000 and $80,000 depending on its condition. By the time the project is completed, most owners will be investing north of $500,000 for the privilege of owning a car that merges Rolls-Royce grandeur with silent electric performance. Deliveries of the first customer cars are expected in late 2026.